got to the El Cortez, sat down, betting minimum 75 cents, third spin, got the bonus. That was super fast. Let's see what we can get. We start with $40. Let's collect those eggs. Let's go. Oh, I forgot I have to hit the button. Come on, let's get some instant wins. There we go. A $5 instant win, that's great. That gives us $6.75. Let's keep it going. Let's go. All right. Come on, let's go. Ooh, bring me those instant win columns back. Come on. There we go. Instant win, please. Let's go. Come on, we need one egg. Oh, okay. Okay, here we go. One spin left. Let's get it. Get an egg, get an egg. Oh, we got it. 3 more spins to go. I didn't even have time to show you the progressives up top. Awesome, win all. We're up to $31.50 on 75-cent bet. Ooh, another instant win. 2 more, so we get those again on each end. Wow, this is kind of fun. Let's go. Whoa. 2 more for the grand. Here's our little chickie. He is happy. Here's our progressives. Okay, he says, come on, girls. You can get the last 2 eggs for 10 grand. Let's go. All right, let's do that again. Come on, there's another $5.50. Let's go. Ooh, again. $52.75, 46 so far. Oh, we got it all. Oh, that was the last spin. Okay. I didn't realize it. I wasn't paying attention. $59.50 win. Well, that was amazing. Woo, look at that bling. This is Girls Like Bling Slots coming to you from El Cortez. Please give us a like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Appreciate you watching. Wow, winner, winner, chicken dinner. That is so cute. I can't get back anymore. It's big screen. That was a super duper bonus on 75 cents. Wow. We'll take that. That was unexpected. I sat down because the chickens, the green and the red, were basically full, just a little bit more on the blue. So we're gonna do 5 backup spins. Here's 1, 2, got some 9s there, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate it.